Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to create an app using Thunkable. First, you have to search Thunkable on the Google and then you will reach the Thunkable's website. There, you have to log in or sign in if you have not. Then, after signing in or logging in, you will reach this page. This page will show this interface. Now we have to create a new app. So just click on this plus icon and then give a name to your app. We are creating an age calculator. This app will convert your age in years to your age in hours. So I'll name it age calculator. Okay, now click on create. It will take you to this page. This page will have this kind of interface. Now, let me introduce you to some of the components of this Thunkable app. So, on this side, we will see the components of our app, which will consist of. These are the components that we have already used in our app, and these are the components that we can add in our app. Okay, on the right hand side, you can see all the things that can edit this component. Like this component is screen. We have the background color, the background picture, the picture resize mode. We have n number of things over here. So now to create an age calculator app, we need a label. You can drag and drop these labels in this screen. You'll see a mobile screen here visible. Okay, so two of these labels we need. After this, we need a text input. Just drag and drop this here. Okay, now we need a button. Just drag and drop this button on the screen. Now, I don't think so this order is correct. When you want to just replace the orders, like I want to replace this button by a label, so you can do it here on the left hand side. You have to just drag and drop these into the correct order. Like I want label 1 at the top, then the text input, and the label 2 at the third number. We want the button at the last. Now I want some spacing in between them. Just click on this white area anywhere, and then here on the right hand side, you'll see vertical alignment. Click on it and click on space around. This will give you a very big space here. It's looking tidy now. Now we want a background color. Now again click on this white space and then go to background color. Here you can choose any color you want. I'll take green, a good shade of green. I think this green would be good enough. Now, if I want to change the color of this label, label number 2, you have to click on this label and then go to background color. Click on it and choose the background color. I'll take blue. Just drag this to the shade you want. I think this one is good. Okay, so now let's start designing. We have to design the labels. First, in the first label, click on it. Here, you will see text and label written under it. Just click on it and delete this. Now, right there, enter your age in years. Okay, so it's looking here. It's looking good. Now, let's go to the text input. Click on this and then it is written type here in under hint. Okay. Now just click it and just delete it. Now write enter. Okay. So it will show up like this. And now in this label, this is a variable. This shouldn't have any fixed thing or fixed digit. Okay, so we will just leave this blank. Remember to leave this blank or this will show up like label. Okay, so now there's some little dot over here. Now we don't want that dot. No, So first we have to go to down and then width. We will see width and height. Click on height and take absolute size. After taking absolute size, just write under it 100. So its height is too much. Let's try 50. This is great. Now, in the width section, click on this. Pick one fit contents and fill container. Just click on this and just take this absolute size. Under this, write 100. So this is a good one. Its size is very good. Now, as we have finished designing the both of the labels and our text input, now let's design the button. Click on the button, then you will see text button. Just delete this button and write convert. Okay, now our app's interface would look like this. This is looking nice, no? Okay, so if you want to increase the font size, you can increase here. And if you want to change the background color, you can change by this option. Okay, so now let's move on to the coding. Coding is the thing in which we will put the functions in this app. With the help of the functions, this app will just this app will just you can say interact with us. Okay, now let's go to this. You can see design heading here. Just beside it, there's blocks. Click on blocks. It will take you to this interface. Here we have to do the coding. So in the coding, first you can see button 1 here. Click on it and then it will show many blocks here. This coding is done by blocks. Okay, so first we will take out this one and drag and drop here. When button 1 is clicked do, we'll put a certain thing here so it does it. Okay, so here go to label 2 and then take this. From label 2, set text to this. And now just we will have to remove this, but not like this, just pull it. It will, everything would be coming. Okay, so now we will have to go to math here. In math, we will take this one and drag and drop it here. Then after drag and dropping it here, we will need another one. Okay, so we will put it in here in other one. Okay, so now in total we have three of them. Here remember this is a very important change. With this here you can see a plus sign. Click on it and select the multiplication sign. Same here too. Then after doing this, we'll go to text input 1. Then from here we will we will select this one. From text input 1 get hint. We will select this and put it in the first one like this. Okay, so now we have to change this hint. Click on it to text. Now you have to type here 365 because there are 365 days in a year. We'll not consider a leap year. Okay, in the second block now, just write 24 because there are 24 hours in a year, in a day. Okay, so now we have finished with the coding. Now let's go to the design. Here in the design, we have to click on preview. Then it will take some time and this will show up. Now here, enter your age in years. Okay, so I think there's a mistake in this button. Let's fix it. Okay, we have to click on edit, click on the button. Okay, so we have not put the text in it. Just put convert. Convert. Okay, so now it's cool. Now go to preview. Now we can see this kind of interface. Enter your age in years. My age is 11 or say 14. Let's put 14 and then we'll click on convert. We'll get the number of hours here. This is our age in years and this is our age in hours. So this is how you can make an age converter using Thunkable. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for this kind of videos further. Please like this video and share it with your friends so they can learn it too. Thank you.